Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Windows 11 is not remembering the Windows position and size and you are using multiple monitors on your computer, so you may be plugging stuff in and out, or perhaps every time your computer restarts it's just randomly putting your icons on your desktops. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you want to start with is right clicking on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. Select System on the left side, and then you want to select Display over here on the right. So go ahead and select Display, and now go underneath Scale and Layout and select Multiple Displays. Choose the presentation mode for your displays, and make sure where it says Remember Window Locations based on monitor connection is selected here. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.